Mercury Wire Products Incorporated has been a lean manufacturer of high-value custom wire, cable, and engineered assemblies since 1967. By designing specific production processes and equipment that are focused solely on your wire, cable, and cable assemblies, we can quickly respond to the changing market. We deliver the highest quality product by performing various inspections including performance, environmental, density, and specific gravity measurement testing. Our selection of copper wire gauges supports the construction of wire and cable that are used across a multitude of applications. Our custom cable assembly capabilities include the selection of connectors and fittings, soldering, crimping, epoxy, potting, injection molding, termination, and testing. We have a team of engineers ready to support you in designing and producing a customized cable and assembly solution tailored to your specific needs. Mercury Wire employs two key water blocking technologies that can be applied individually or in combination: dry and gel resin. Dry water blocking involves absorbent tapes and fillers that swell to absorb water. Gel resin water blocking uses various compounds to fill cable voids in order to slow or prevent water migration. These methods, paired with appropriate connectors and terminations, will enhance lifespan, durability, and performance of cables exposed to high moisture environments. We provide an extensive range of shielding solutions, utilizing materials such as metal, tapes, and fiber shields to accommodate a vast range of application requirements. Our twisting and cabling processes help to avoid electromagnetic interference and organize internal components into a final cable that is ready for termination. We carefully choose the suitable electrical insulator by considering factors including material resistance to the required voltage, life cycle duration, and environment. Our wire and cable manufacturing process incorporates thermoplastics like PVC, PE, PP, CPE, nylon, and polyurethane for insulation and jacketing. Our capabilities and expertise allow us to provide you with high-quality extrusion processes including single, dual, and multi-layers. We provide a broad selection of dies and crossheads that accommodate a variety of sizes and configurations. We assist with selection of the most appropriate materials and components to ensure that the final product we manufacture meets your specific needs. Our flexible manufacturing processes and modular, small-batch work cells rapidly produce and iterate prototypes ready for validation. In order to match production to your unique inventory demands and supply products just when you need them, we provide delivery and inventory flow management services. We have delivered custom solutions for countless applications, including industrial cutting systems, video inspection and surveillance, submarine communication, military and defense, science and energy exploration, laser medical treatment, industrial robotics, fleet GPS systems, emergency lighting, and environmental monitoring. We provide a special solution that is precisely aligned to your particular application's requirements. Contact us today.